I'm starting with a fresh desktop as if I had just started MotiveWave for the first time. And this video is going to talk about understanding the icons that help you work with the all-powerful watch lists. In another video I showed you how to create a watch list. Now let's concentrate on these icons that you see in the top right hand corner of your watch list. Your watch list can be here, it could be positioned on the side, it can be positioned on top. It all depends on how you configured your layout. And you remember that that was in the configure layout, and you had a number of different ways that you could lay out your watch list and your charts. But this is the way that you see your watch list when you first start MotiveWave. This little icon right here, you see these two arrows going to the left and to the right? That simply means that when you have an active chart, like this one, American Express, and you click anywhere in your watch list, it changes to whatever you've clicked on in your watch list. If you don't want that feature turned on, you just click this, and now when you click here in your watch list, nothing happens in your charts. You may like one, you may like the other, but at least you have that choice. The next icon you have is for switching between the list view and this tiles view. If you like the tiles view, go for it. I don't find it as useful, but I suppose if you're a tick trader, then you get to see the greens and the reds light up. Let me go back to the list view. This one's quite simple. This simply sorts, but you can sort anyways by clicking on these headers. At least normally you can. So that's up and down symbol. You can go by change, so which have changed the most in terms of straight dollars, which have changed the most in terms of percent. So you can group your winners and losers in your watch list. Let's go to the far right, and this is a maximize. And now we can work with our watch list with a little less distraction. So we've gone through the sorting. This allows you to add an existing instrument. This is an instrument that's already in your database of your default database of symbols. So you just click on one if you want to add Ford, and you add Ford. This little magnifying glass, if you can't find a symbol that you're looking for in your default list, then you're going to have to search for it. And this will let you search for it by name. So you would type in Ford search, and it will find anything that's got Ford in the title. Now, if you're using thinkorswim as your default data provider, when you search this database, you have to be exact in specifying what the stock's name is, exactly the way thinkorswim has it. So you may have to go and refer to the thinkorswim if you can't find it in your search. It happens. You have to go to thinkorswim, type in the symbol, see what they name the particular stock as, and then do the search that way. This one allows you to import, so you can have a CSV or an ASCII file that you've created, and it'll import a default watch list. You'll have to go to MotiveWave's website to find out exactly how to structure that CSV file so it imports it properly, but it's pretty easy. It's just, I think it's just the symbol, comma, carriage return, symbol, comma, carriage return, and that format will work. This is to open an existing watch list. This is to create a new watch list. This is to edit an existing watch list. So if you're looking at the NASDAQ watch list, then this one would allow you to edit that watch list. This is the one that allows you to create a new watch list, and you minimize and maximize, but you also had another one in between, and that was the pop-out. That now lets you take your watch list and move it anywhere on your screen or move it to another screen. That's a quick rundown in the icons that are associated with the watch list.